Hello everyone, I am Taewei Wang. In this presentation, I would like to show you the relationship between Google Trend and popular cryptocurrencies. And why are we studying this topic? Everybody wants to get rich quick. Now, if you want to get rich, you want to invest in something very risky. Cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin, of course, will be the target risky investment that we can get in legally at this particular point in time. And the Bitcoin price is soaring like crazy. So the other question might be, if the price of Bitcoin is out of reach, what is the second cryptocurrency that we can invest in? In this experimental study, that we want to look at three different or most popular cryptocurrencies. These three are the Bitcoin, the Litecoin, and the Ethereum. And all three currencies are already tradable on my PayPal account. So maybe I will buy some one of those cryptocurrency in the most recent time. So the predictor, one of the predictors of the cryptocurrency, like many other financial products or investment target, we can use the social signal. The social signal is approximately used, or in this particular case, Google Trend as an indicator. So when you plot Google Trend indicator on the Google website, you can see the three cryptocurrencies are relatively sort of like compared to each other and going in the same direction. And of course, the yellow line, Bitcoin, obviously is the most popular one. So they are searched the most on the Google Trend compared to the other two. And if we take out Bitcoin, maybe we can see the undercurrent of Litecoin and Ethereum. So let's simply remove Bitcoin. And now we have a new plot. And after we remove Bitcoin, it looks like the second currency that we might be interested in is the Ethereum coin. And why is that? I don't know, but let's take a look at the other analysis. By the way, these two lines, they seem to be correlated very much, and you can see every peak of this timeline, you see the other peak in the other currency. So now let's take a look at the relationship between the social signal and the price in a motion chart. And this visualization is generated by the Gaminder tool offline. And the data we have collected is coming from November 2015 to October 2020. And it looked like at the beginning, all three cryptocurrency are not very expensive. They're all under probably $2,000 from the chart, as you can see. And let me use a trail to see what it looked like to change in terms of the price over time. So here is an animation. And it looked like sometime during the 2016, Bitcoin started to move. And in 2017, it moved quite a bit, only Bitcoin. The other two seems to be crawling around under like 2000 still, but Bitcoin is already taking off. So if we want to study this a little bit more, maybe we should study the timeline somewhere in 2017 to see what happened between the three popular cryptocurrency and why Bitcoin become that popular until today. The other thing that's kind of hard to observe is we want to try to see if there are any sort of a linear relationship between the Google Trend Index and the closing price. If we look at the green color trails, it represents the Bitcoin. It seems to have some relationship, but not very clearly. Let me change the scale of the x-axis a little bit to see if I can make it more clear. So if we take a look at the Google Trend Index go over 30 and treat that as an outlier, and maybe we can make the scale look much readable to study the relationship, and let's do that. And I will go in and change the maximum of x-axis into 30. Let's try that. And so change this to 30 and say OK. And it look a little bit better. It seems like that we have some sort of a line going from here to there, right? So not very, it kind of diverges when Google Trend Index become higher. But I believe that if you run a correlation analysis, you will find there the correlation coefficient should be higher than 0.05 based on the visualization, or 50%, 0.5, not 0.05, sorry. And again, the price fluctuation and interest in Bitcoin seems to be outshadow the other cryptocurrency. So let's take out the Bitcoin, or actually change the scale a little bit more so we can see the Litecoin and the Ethereum, how they compare to each other. So to do that, let me change the scale of both x-axis and y-axis to the corresponding scale. And this will be somewhere probably under 15 for the x-axis. And for the y-axis, probably we'll see something along the line of 2000 as the maxima. And maybe we can see it better. So now it seems to be, or at least to me, there is a strong linear relationship between Google Index with the Ethereum. But interesting enough that we have this price for the color. This is the Litecoin, actually going a little bit higher than Ethereum. And so based on this observation, I'm not quite sure who is the number 2. So maybe it will be easier to see that as an effort to study the number 2 most popular Bitcoin, or not Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. Maybe we can do a little bit animation in the ranking chart. And Bitcoin obviously is jumping very fast in terms of price. But Ethereum seems to be maintaining number 2 right after about 2017. So in terms of the price, maybe Ethereum will be a better choice. And what do we learn from this data visualization exercise? It seems to me, at least, the Google Trend Index does correlate it with all the 3 cryptocurrencies. And if we make some adjustment and build a more sophisticated model, maybe we can predict the cryptocurrency and probably will benefit from it in terms of the investment. Second, we don't know why Bitcoin become the number 1 or the other 2 cryptocurrency become number 2 or number 3. But of course, we rank the three different currency 1, 2, 3 in terms of their closing price, and maybe that's not the best index for us to judge which one is the more popular or most likely to be surviving in the future. And number 3, that if we're going to be investing in the second cryptocurrency, I'm still hesitating to say which one is better. But it seems to me, at least from the motion chart and the ranking and the price range, it seems to be Ethereum. And hopefully this will become useful for you, and we will do more investigation on this particular topic. See you next time. Bye.